it's me, Morgan.
And it's Zane.
And we're here in the Teen Makerspace. And this week, we're showing you guys how to make some chalkboard picture frames.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty stinking cute or really cool, depending on what you make.
Yeah, it's, you guys can get pretty creative with it.
Yeah,
so it's supposed to be like a stress-free craft, so don't worry about it too much.
Yeah, and I also want to mention to wipe this off, just take a wet piece of paper towel or like a baby wipe or something.
Yeah.
Like wipe it off, that's fine. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, everybody, so in this week's craft bag, the things that you are going to need are an assortment of buttons, some chalk marker, some tacky glue, chalkboard paper, a photo frame, some paint, and a paintbrush. And you might need some scissors for something. If your chalkboard paper is a little hard to slip in here, you might just want to trim off the edge, but really it should just slide in. So first step you're going to do is just go ahead and put your chalkboard paper into the frame. So you're going to slip it through the top and just kind of slowly pull and wiggle this down in here. So I pretty much just want to make sure that none of it's showing at the top. So now I have my little frame looking good. So pretty much we're just going to have fun decorating this. The chalk is obviously to write onto here, so we can just save that for later. Now we're just gonna go ahead and get some of our fun stuff out here. I have mine pretty much all glued down now. Oops, looks like I got stuck on something back there. So, and I'm just gonna take my chalk and make just some fun shapes. So that is just my regular chalk. And then I can take my chalk marker and I can also write something
makerspace related.
Ooh, okay.
Maybe about SRP.
Yes, okay. As you can see, I have my little saying written down, and it
Looks
says,
pretty good.
Thank you, Zane. Mine says, summer reading program starts May 31st.
Wow.
Wow, just some quick little information
That's
for you guys.
convenient.
I know, right? Here, Zane, go ahead and show them outdoors. Jeez.
I've got a stick figure and it says memes on it.
Yes, it's really great.
Yeah.
But you can see how different they look, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you guys how to flip it over now after it's all the buttons and everything are dry. So there is a little flap here. Mine has a little bit of paint that I got on it on accident, but it's fine. So we lift this up, and then there's another little flap here that we're going to pull out and kind of bend it. And then you can see that there is a little slit right there, and we're just going to go ahead and pop that in to there like that, and then it should stand up all
standing up all by itself.
Yep, just like that. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you had fun and kind of just a relaxing time making this. I know I did.
It's pretty stress-free.
Definitely. I like this a lot. Okay, we'll see you again next week.
See you guys.